Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You start by quickly assessing pain on a 0 to 10 scale and noting exact location. This tells you intensity and limits. Once done, clear a 3 to 6 foot area so you can move safely without unexpected obstacles. Begin a short, 3 to 5 minute warm-up focusing on gentle movements and steady breathing. This increases blood flow and reduces risk of aggravating the area. Make sure to stop if pain spikes beyond your baseline and reassess before continuing. You perform a controlled sequence. Choose movements that target the painful area but stay within a comfortable range, doing 6 to 10 slow reps per set. Keep a neutral posture, spine aligned and shoulders relaxed, because alignment distributes load and prevents compensation. Once you can complete sets without increased pain, increase range or intensity by about 10%. This gradual progression rebuilds tolerance. If symptoms change, pause and compare to your initial assessment before proceeding further. You finish with a 3-minute cool down of gentle stretching and deep breathing to reduce post-activity stiffness and signal recovery. Then record what you did, movements, reps, and any change in pain. Tracking helps identify patterns and safe progression. If pain increases or new symptoms appear, stop and rest for 24 to 48 hours. Ice or analgesics per your plan may help. If problems persist or worsen, consult a healthcare professional promptly for a tailored plan.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.